1948 International TD6 is now running. We're trying to, with Alan Evans as the operator, and finding second gear and going to run it up the hill. We're in the process of trying to free up the right steering clutch, and here he goes up the hill. Having a good time, throttling up. Still trying to break free that right steering clutch. The right brake is going to need an adjustment. But there he goes. Look at him spin with the right steering clutch and brake. Alan, baby! Still having a little problem with that right steering clutch, but we're getting there. The machine's working with operating range on the push that all the way in. Oh, you were spinning at the right.
Huh?
Here, I'm going to turn this off.